So guys, it's currently Monday morning and I'm at home at my mum and dad's because yesterday was Mother's Day. And being the good daughter that I am, I came to see my mum for Mother's Day, obviously. But I just thought I'd do a little day of my life vlog today because me and the girls are going down to the beach for a picnic. Honestly, I can't think of anything else that I've got planned right now. I just went and saw my nan, I saw my papa yesterday, you know, doing the rounds. But yeah, I just thought I'd vlog today. Going to the beach, it's gonna be gorgeous, the weather is insane. I just need to get dressed, I need to sun cream up, and then I'm gonna pick Izzy up and drive over to Zoe's. I'm so excited to see my Isaac. I've not seen her since September, and it's March now. It's gonna be April tomorrow. And even then, when I saw her in September, it was literally for like less than an hour. So I'm excited. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have a busy day today. So prepare, guys. Prepare for what's in store, you know. So I'm all ready to go, guys. Let me show you my outfit. This is my outfit. I need to go and get some food from the shop and then I need to pick up Izzy and I'm running late, so gotta go. She's a better woman than I am.
I do want to have you.
I don't want to put my feet in.
Fucking hell!
Oh. I don't know how she does this. It's literally touched my big toe and I'm already freezing. Is she gonna dive under that wave?
You're such a brave girl.
Guys, I can't get a good angle in my car at all because I don't have a tripod in my car. You're just in my phone holder that's sideways right now. But I'm driving home from the beach now. I just thought I'd give you a quick update. We've just spent basically the whole day at the beach. Well, the afternoon. It's now like 5:30 maybe, 5:15. And I am driving home. I just dropped Izzy off. We got back to Zoe's and then I drove and dropped Izzy off. But yeah, it was a lovely day at the beach. I don't know if I'm tanned or if I'm just gaslighting myself that I'm tanned. There's a really loud motorbike in front of me. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive home now. I'm not sure what my plans are for the evening, but I'll keep you updated. So what time is it, Mum? 7:30? It's 7:25 and I've had my dinner. I'll show you here. I had what I call roast in a soup, where I take leftover roast, I just put loads of gravy and I turn it into a soup. And then you could just ask me. My dad's over there. Is she filming?
People that watch your things probably don't even know I exist. I've gone to
My dad's biggest beef with me is that he's convinced that everyone on the internet thinks I don't have a dad. He's so dramatic.
I appeared once in your film, taking you to Cardiff.
You also were there in my moving out of my first year halls vlog because you came to pick me up because all the trains got cancelled. If you recall.
I don't.
You don't remember coming to pick me up?
No, I don't remember being in your blog.
Yeah, it's a vlog, Dad, not a blog. Blogs are written, vlogs a video blog.
Vlogs, right.
Okay. Yeah, so I had my dinner. And then after that my nan came over for a bit. Trying to Harper, bring it to me. Bring it. Yeah, and then I'm just sat with my mum, just chatting. And it's like 7:30 and like I thought I was going to do something else today, but like I just really am not sure that I am. So like now it's just looking like a really boring vlog. What can I say? This has been my day. Literally all I've done is go to the beach. That is all I've done. Harper, bring me the toy. She's not listening to me. I'll let you guys know if I decide to do anything. So I've actually driven down to the beach to... Well, you can't really see the sunset from this beach, but I'll show you anyway. Because I just thought before I go back to Cardiff tomorrow, no offense Cardiff, I just need to soak in the beautiful environment that my hometown offers me. I don't know what is on my face. Also guys, do we think I've got tan today? Obviously I don't look tanned, but like, I think I've caught the sun. But I did have sun cream on obviously. Anyway, I'm gonna get out and show you what this gorgeous evening is giving, because just look at it. It's giving so much to me right now. And I'm so grateful. So we've got the mount here, looking lovely. And then we go over the sunsets over there. But it's still lovely. Like, still a gorgeous, gorgeous evening. What I'm probably gonna do is walk down onto the beach, because why would I not? On such a lovely day. Like, look at that. It's times like this that like I do miss living at home. Like, there's just not a lot going on here for me personally, you know, career-wise and such, of things I aspire to do and achieve. But when I look at this, like, I'm just like, wow. Like, I'm just gonna pop my shoes off and leave them there. I'm just like, how could I have any complaints? Like, it's stunning. Just look at this sea, guys. Guys, I just can't get over how stunning this evening is looking. Like, so gorgeous. That's the wrong side, I'm not a passenger.